Hi Shilpa, welcome.
I'm so sorry. There was some problem with the connection. I'm so sorry.
No problem at all. No problem at all. We were chit chatting while we were waiting in. So just it's all right. So
So,
I'm really excited to do this. I've been so everybody who's watching us live and everybody who will be seeing this video later on. I just wanted to tell you. So Shilpa and we've been in touch for quite a few months and we've been planning to do this session, but
yes,
invariably it's been getting
it's
delayed.
been postponing like anything.
So finally, we are both extremely happy that we've zeroed down on a date and a day, and we are here live with all
Hey,
of
your
you.
connection is, I'm not able to see you. I mean, it's just still.
Let me just check my this thing.
Yeah, because you're not, it's
I
just
can
still
see you.
image.
I can I can see you. All
Yeah, but
right.
I'm not able to see you, your connection. There seems to be some problem with your connection.
Everybody else, are you able to see me and Shilpa?
I'm able
Like
to see you,
moving.
but yeah, you're not moving. You're just still.
Okay, so as long as you can see me, ठीक है, as long as you can hear me. Anyway, Shilpa, I'm just going to be throwing some questions at you, and you'll be the one
Okay,
who's taking this forward.
I'm all up for it.
So,
Yes.
so it's okay, even if I'm static on the screen, no problem. All right, guys. So let me introduce Shilpa to all of you. She runs a fantastic group called Wow, Wonder of
Yes.
Women, and
Women of Wonder.
Women of Wonder, and it's one of the largest Telegram groups in Pune. It is the largest Telegram group for small business owners, women-owned businesses,
Yes.
and that's just
Yes.
fabulous. And
Thank you.
that's not the only thing that she has a lot of experience and she's really creative. So I'm gonna now get Shilpa to talk a little bit about herself and her work.
Yeah. Hi, all the amazing viewers right now. Thank you for joining this lovely session, and thank you, Shreya, so much for inviting me here. So I'm Shilpa Venkat, and I'm based in Pune. I am the founder of WOW, Women of Wonder Group, and we are the biggest women's business group on Telegram Messenger app in Pune. We are 2,100 plus and counting.
Wow.
Getting bigger by each day. So that is a small brief about the group, and I'm also a freelance creative photographer. I
Wow.
do baby shoots. So I'm basically dabbling into a lot of things.
Wow. So you were doing so much before you started Wow. So what was your motivation? I mean, how did you think of why did you start Wow?
It actually started because, I wanted to promote my jewelry business. I was into handmade paper jewelry. So I learned paper jewelry from YouTube and I wanted to promote my business, and I was looking out for some groups where I can genuinely post my products or host small exhibitions where I can display my products, and that's how the concept started. I It was in 2015. I still remember. I posted on Facebook in my commune and in the area where I live in Pune, and few ladies showed interest. I'm interested to be a part of this small exhibition that you wish to organize, and that's how it started. Later on, I decided I'll create a small WhatsApp group where like-minded people who are
Yeah.
more into business will just be a part of it. And as and when I get time, I'll organize these small exhibition events. It was small, say when it became this big, even I'm not able to understand. I'm still figuring. So it's like just became big on WhatsApp, and in WhatsApp I crossed the group limitation of adding more members,
Yeah.
and I didn't want to make a group on Facebook. I wasn't that keen at that point of time. So I decided I'll figure out some other messenger app, and I stumbled upon Telegram.
Telegram.
So that's
Okay.
how the story started, when I shifted the whole group to Telegram, and then now it has slowly gained popularity, and now it's becoming big.
Okay. So, Shilpa, what you just said about not wanting to choose Facebook, and
Yes.
let me tell everybody here that generally Facebook is what anybody wants to start a group. Facebook is the first thing that they think of. So, I want to know what made you think that you want to be different and you don't want to follow everybody else, the pattern that everybody else is following.
Uh, See, it's what I generally believe is that you need to stand out in the crowd. You cannot always be together.
Follow.
Like what everybody is doing, I don't wish to do the same. So Telegram has its own benefits. It's like super fast business happens on Telegram compared to Facebook. So, example, what I generally give is, for example, you wish to purchase something in the group, and if you contact me and the seller, for example, so it's like one-on-one business. Fatafat ho jata hai on Telegram.
Okay.
So on
Okay.
Facebook, many times you miss out the post, or then people are a bit lazy to contact the person from the number given there. But here
Yeah.
it's like, yeah, here it's like, I like your product, I'm going to order it right away. So I'll just place, I'll message you right away and the deal is done. So it's very fast and very easy also for everybody is hooked on phone, WhatsApp, Messenger app. So if you think about it, Telegram is easy that way.
That is true. That is true.
Yes.
That's a great insight, for you to have thought about this. That I think a lot of small businesses, they end up losing customers on Facebook groups
Correct.
because of the amount of time that it takes
Amount
from
of time.
finding
Yes.
a post and
Yes.
then
Yes.
finally
Yes.
placing
Yes.
your order.
See,
So
when you wish to just purchase one product, nobody is going to run through so many comments on Facebook or
yes.
contact that person, go through their page. This is like super fast, quick.
Wow, wow. And I believe you also do, I mean, it's not just like a seller group. You also have a lot of initiatives which happen, and you're
Yes,
introducing a
yes.
couple of things as well, right? Could you tell us
Yes,
a little bit
yes,
about
yes,
that?
definitely. So we have both buyers and sellers in the group from all over Pune. In fact, we have buyers not just from Pune, but also from other cities like Bangalore,
Okay.
Hyderabad, Chennai, and we also have buyers, overseas buyers we have from Canada, Singapore, US. So it's like there is a mixed combination of buyers and sellers. So
Okay.
this is a full-fledged business group.
Okay.
The aim is only to provide business for small-time women entrepreneurs. So
Okay.
apart from daily business, we have group meets. Wow, group meets happen where
Wow.
we meet. Yes, where members get together, we discuss one-on-one, or if anybody is having any problem,
Okay.
they can come up to me and discuss about their issues facing, or
Okay.
some business, a marketing tip. A lot of informative session happens in Wow Meets,
Okay.
and we have Wow monthly e-magazine where sellers are highlighted, their interviews are published. Different ways
Wow.
where we can help these small-time womenpreneurs come up.
So wow is simply wow. Like I just can't stop using wow for
Thank you.
all of the work that you're doing. That's just
Thanks.
fantastic. And by the way, everybody, you need to know this, that Shilpa is managing all of this by herself. Okay, I asked her, how much help do you have, and she's really managing. But most of the entire organization of the group
Yes.
and everything, she's
Yes.
managing it by herself, and she's like a one-woman army. So kudos to you. Yeah, you're doing such a fabulous
Thank
job.
you.
And
Thank you.
is the platform open? Because we do have some people here right now who are from, not from India, from Dubai
Okay.
and Russia. So is the platform also open for others to join as perhaps sellers? I've lost Shilpa for a bit. Okay, sorry, Shilpa, yeah, you're back. So I was asking, will the platform be, open for sellers from other groups as well, from other countries as
Uh,
well? Hey guys, I think there's some
Hello,
sort of
hello,
an
hello.
internet
Yeah,
problem.
you're able to hear
I
me?
don't know where. Sorry,
I think
yeah, Shilpa, sorry, I lost you for a minute there. I don't know if.
Are you?
Um,
Am I audible
yeah,
now?
yeah. Now I can. Yes, perfectly.
Yes, so I was telling you that as of now, we have sellers from all over Pune and we have buyers from Pune, different cities of India and also overseas. But currently, I'm getting many requests from women who are based in Pune earlier and now shifted because of their
Yeah,
personal commitments. So they're requesting me
yeah.
to please, give us an opportunity to, and we need to join WOW. So I'm thinking on those lines now. If I should
Great. So this is,
little bit,
yeah, great
yeah. So
opportunity for you to also be able to expand this.
yes,
Wow.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, I mean, you're doing all of this by yourself. So, I mean, what are the problems that you faced? What were the challenges that you faced in running this single-handedly?
Quite a lot. Too many. Firstly, it's very difficult to run things on your own. Definitely, I have a three-member team. They are into daily monitoring the group, so the team is amazing,
Okay.
efficient. But most of the
Okay.
other important decisions or event planning, or we have WOW flea market events. So till now, 15 events of WOW
Yes.
I've organized. So all those need lot of time, effort. Lot of time is needed. So it's not that easy actually. So I'm always running around. It's like I have wheels on my legs and I'm all the time running around all the time. So it's very definitely challenging. But what I've realized generally is that when you're doing something on your own, you'll not find people will also have the same drive like you.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
so you'll have that extra energy or drive to put in because it's your own thing.
Yeah,
It is
it's like your own
something,
baby.
it's like your own baby.
Yeah.
So the effort or time that you're going to invest in that, you cannot expect it from others who are part of your team or anybody who you come across in life. So I feel that I'll be the major part who will be putting a lot of time in this. So I'm generally a lot of multitasking, managing
Wow.
my home,
Yeah, you're
kid,
managing all
and
of this with kid and all, right?
with kid.
Superb.
Yes, yes, yes,
Superb,
yes.
superb. So, could you give us some advice or some tips on how can women make the most of WOW? So, how can what are the best practices that they can put in place so that they can benefit from a group like WOW?
Okay. So see, first, if I talk about WOW, WOW is a free group. Joining is free. So I generally advise women that be a part of it and you're getting an opportunity to daily promote your products in WOW. So every day you can actually post your products in the group. You can promote yourself in the group. So what most of the times women have a notion that chalo, if we join a very big group, the next day we are going to get a big order or a
Oh
sale.
yeah.
It does not happen. It will not happen that way. You need to have patience once you join any group because there are many people doing the same products.
Okay. Yeah. True.
Okay, it's not like you're the only one who's into one particular product. The same product might be, another seller might be doing the same
True.
product.
True.
So you need to have patience. First, you need to make your presence felt in that particular group. As in, what many do is like today I'll post my advertisement and I'll not do anything for 1 week, a month, and suddenly
Okay.
I surface back with my product or my post. Nobody is going to note you. You need to be consistent in
Con-
posting your products.
got it.
Got
Got
it?
it. So
So you need to
consistency. Okay.
consistency is very important. You need to be consistent that every day you post your products, promote it in a very different way, not the same usual ads or posters that we find. Come up with new marketing techniques your own self.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay,
what about
like
video content?
video content, as in, if you can give me an example.
So instead of doing just graphic posts, can people also
Hmm.
do like small video clips to
Definitely,
promote?
definitely, definitely. We have around 1 minute plus short videos that people can post in the group, because
Okay.
it's a messenger app. So very very big videos or images, the app can
May
crash.
not
We
be.
don't know, may not have. So you can post videos of a particular time limit, and
Okay.
videos are very good because people take a note of it.
Okay. Got it. Great point. So consistency and try to make your posts different. Maybe try to use
Different.
video posts to promote yourself.
Yes.
And
Yes.
wow.
And also would say that every person doing their own business need to first do some research. Well, if, or you first join a group like Wow and observe what other sellers are doing.
Okay.
Because once you observe, you understand this is the current trend. This is what people like. This is what people want to buy. When you get that understanding, you can actually invest some money or buy your own stock or get into business. Before having that understanding or observation, if you directly get into business, it's not going to help.
Okay.
So I'll always tell that first join Wow. If you are planning to start your business, first join, take a look at what others are doing, what kind of products they are doing, how they are posting their advertisements.
Got it.
So these simple pointers help you out.
Wow. Yes. Yes. And you also spoke about that a lot of people might be doing similar things. So
Hmm.
how do you deal with, say, competition of that sort? Any tips on that?
It's going to last. Competition is going to be there anytime. Even with groups, there are multiple groups everywhere.
Yeah.
It's not just Wow. There are so many groups out there on Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. But I'll always say a simple thing that I tell everyone who come up to me and say, so and so person is doing the same product in the group. Check out your insecurities. You
Okay.
just
Wow.
need to
Yeah.
you just need to focus on your business, your product, your service. That is most important. There'll be hundreds of people doing the same business, same product, but if people like your service, the way you deal with them, your product quality, then definitely they're going to get back to you.
Totally agree with you, and I love your advice. Let go of your insecurities, even if you see there are other people who are doing
Let
the
go.
same thing.
Let go.
So,
Because Shreya, why I said this, sorry to interrupt. A couple of years back, it happened that Wow was not this big or it was growing, and then I've come across with people used to tell me that you should be on Facebook, you should not be on Telegram. I said I don't care about group numbers or anything of that sort. I believe in this, and I'm going to stick to this.
yeah. Wow. Okay. Superb.
So this is what I'm saying to all the womenpreneurs out there, that don't worry about the competition it's going to be there. It's a part and parcel of any business. Even big brands or giants, even they have
True.
their own set of competitors. So you just need to focus on your work, your products, your service.
Wow. Such great advice, Shilpa. Thank you so much. And there was, and lastly, I just wanted to ask you, when do you do these meetups, and how can people join these meetups? How are you doing them these days now?
Earlier, it was no, we had those outdoor meets, and we used to have a lot of fun. But obviously, right now, nahi ho sakta. So I'm having virtual meet on Zoom.
Okay.
So
Great.
virtual meets may we have not I'm making it a point that there's no chaos. So we have batches of members joining in, like say 20 to 25 join at one time, and then I'm giving them an opportunity to talk about their business and about themselves. What they do. Just a small connection between those 25 participants in that particular meet. So that is
Yeah.
how I've been arranging meets.
Wow, superb. So I love that so much because that's so much in sync with what I keep promoting as well, community over competition, that you have to kind of get
Yes,
together and grow together.
get
And
together.
that's one of the messages that I've constantly been promoting. And that's why I really, really admire your work.
Thank
So
you.
I would love to know if, the people who are watching us, if they have any questions
Yes,
here.
yes, definitely, definitely.
You can send us your questions in the comments if there's anything that you need to ask Shilpa. And Shilpa, would you be able to
Yes.
just put in the link to the group maybe in the comments here so that people who are watching us live,
Uh,
they could.
People who are watching us live, you can, if you are interested to join Wow Group, then you can just inbox your details on Wow at Wow Group India page. Because I'll not be able to put the link here. It's a women's group, so I need to first filter who is
Ah,
joining our,
all right, all
yeah, for
right,
security reasons
all right,
as
all
a
right.
honest reply. So I would request people to inbox me their details, and then I'll be adding them in the group.
Okay, great, great. Wow, that's something really amazing that you're actually filtering out people and to make
Filtering
sure that
out.
the group is a
Yes.
quality group.
Yes,
So
because it's been 5 years of WoW, and we have not had any issue related, any controversy, no gossip, no controversy. I know it's a very zero chaos group, so it's one of its kind, I'll say. We all are women, but we all have joined WoW with the purpose of promoting our business, and no, that is the main aim of WoW, to help uh, promote business for small women entrepreneurs.
you are amazing, Shilpa. I'm just I'm
Thank
feeling so
you.
kicked just hearing you speak.
Are
And
you serious, or I'm actually okay? Thank you, thank you,
great.
thank you, thank you,
Great. Thank you so much, yeah, for
thank
everything
you,
that you've shared with us. So,
thank
people
you.
who are perhaps watching this video, the recording, it will be up on my feed later on. And you can always get in touch with Shilpa herself. I'll tag her
Yes,
profile on in the comments as well, and send your request to join the group. There's a
yes,
filtration process, so to maintain the quality of the group, that's very, very important. Please
correct,
remember that.
correct.
And but otherwise, like, just look at the comments. I think people just love you. I mean, I'm
Oh my
looking at
God,
everybody who's
thank you,
who's sending in
thank you.
comments for you and appreciation for you, and everybody
I
loves
should
your
thank
work.
you. I should thank you, Shreya, for giving me this opportunity because, like I said, I'm still learning everything, and for me, this is a big chance to be on live and talk with you and so many others. So, thank you so much. Really loved doing this session.
We all learn from each other, yeah. I mean,
Yes.
I am learning so much from you as well.
Thank you, thank you,
So
thank you.
great, great. So thank you so much, Shilpa.
Thank you.
Everybody else, you'll find this video on my feed, and we'll call it a day. I can't believe it how time just passed so
Yes,
quickly. All
yes.
right. So thanks so much, Shilpa, for being here.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone. Bye.
Bye.